So as you know me, I'm keen in getting updates of happenings around Ibeju Lekki and its axis because I know this is where a lot of our clients home and abroad have invested their hard-earned money. So today I and my partner decided to drive around Ibeju Lekki axis to get you latest construction or development updates. So right here now, we are at Eleko Junction. All right, on this other side, we have the Itinu Hills Estate. On this other side, we have so many of our estates, Jennifer Gardens, MN Estate, and co. So we're taking a drive now from this location to Jennifer Gardens. Now, the reason why we're doing this drive is because we discovered that the Dangote Refinery roads that have been in construction, that have been doing videos all this while, that have been extended down to this Lekki Expressway we are standing on right now. So I want to go there, see it myself, and do this video for you. All right? Remember, my name is Peter, twin for LeckiParty.com. My job is to assist you with the right real estate investment information. So when you're making real estate investment decision, you have to make the right decision. If you're to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please seize the opportunity. Click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel so when I post subscribe videos like this and make others, you are one of the first to be informed. So without further ado, we're going to take a drive from here to Eleko Junction. Let's see how the road has been connected to Lekki Expressway and then drive down to Jennifer Gardens and then come back. All right, this is what we have decided to do for you, our client and our prospect, home and abroad, today. All right, so let's go on a drive.